Hey, just a quick Vobin reporting, just in the village of Gulval. I've come here basically because there's a lovely old church here, and apparently there's a local pirate or buccaneer bird in the church. So I'm going to see if I can find his grave. So there you go, the village of Gulval. Got the Commonwealth. Go in. So the village of Gulval, just about 2 miles away from central Penzance. Some old gravestones in here, a lot of new ones at the front. An old one over there. It's early evening, it's about 6:30 at the moment. It's a lovely setting here. Cherry tree there. See the church up there. Beautiful old graveyard. Just walking up to the Commonwealth monument with the poppies. The red of the poppies there really stand out. It's beautiful. These men of Gulval, whose names I hear inscribed, gave their lives for freedom and honour in the Great European War, 1914 to 1918. Gulval churchyard, one end. Beware slippery and uneven path. I think we can go in. Is that open? Yep. Okay. The colours there. Gorgeous little church. These grave markers. Pop and flowers down. Oh, what a big one that one is. Got a lovely little bench here as well. You can sit on. Garden of Rest, laid out in memory of Frederick George Druitt, 1877 to 1958. Edith Marion Druitt, 1882, I think, to 1977. Okay, that's lovely. Okay, walk up to the churchyard now. I've never been here before. It's very quiet. A lot of midges about. I don't want to be swallowing these midges. It's a beautiful church. Pan around, see if we can see the tower. Oh, I saw a little crow fly out. Is that a bit of masonry that's fallen? I don't think that belongs there. I think I can go inside. Yes, it's locked. It's just a really old looking church. It's a shame I can't go inside. Now, if I can find the grave of the pirate, Richard One-Eye Thomas, is it? I don't think I can. There's those old gravestones. Let's walk up here. Now, grave is that? Is that the pirate? Richard Tom. That's the one, Richard Thomas. Skull and crossbones. Richard Thomas. Can't believe I found it. Didn't think I would. Richard Black Eye, I think it's Thomas. I'm not sure. You can just about see. Just read it. Who can? You can't read it. Okay. Well, that's his grave. Richard Thomas. Says skull and crossbones. very rough. See if I can. Some of these are very old. Oh, frightened me. Wish I could get inside. See the tower. See the tower through the trees.
In the sun's evening glow, on Shoon Hill at noon, was the fishing fleet's go, was the sheer wheels at Eagle, as they spun round, and heard the men singing, as they go underground, and no one will ever move me from this land until the Lord calls me to sit at his hand, for this is my Eden.
That was a lovely trip and visit to Gulval and the church. I've never been here before, so absolutely gorgeous. So if you get a chance to come to Penzance, Gulval is about 2 miles out of Penzance. You can get here easily by bus, and I found the gravestone of John Thomas, the pirate and buccaneer. I can't remember what his nickname was now. It's like John One-Eye Thomas or something like that. So, but I found his gravestone, so well known around these parts. So I'm gonna make my way out now. It's a lovely, quiet little village. Hardly anybody about. So one last look at the church there, and I'll say goodbye. So that's the end of today's Vogan report, and bye.
And I'm not alone, for this is my Cornwall, and this is my home. First thing in the morning, on chapel campbray, to gaze at the sillies in the blue far away. For this is my Cornwall, and I'll tell you why. Because I was born here, and here I shall die.